Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. The D-Stash boxes are still live. I'm not sure what's still available because I'm filming this a little bit in advance. But those will be removed around noon today, Monday. And regular stock will be back up if you wanted to order any of that. But these new releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. We do have 3 collections this week as of right now. I know artists have been putting up art constantly, so I might add to this week's release depending on what is released, but I'll let you guys know on Instagram. And if I do add anything, I will also make sure to show it in next week's new releases because I know a lot of y'all like seeing it physically versus the digital, which I totally get. So let's go ahead and go through this week's releases. Again, will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. We have 2 new collections, 1 reformat, a foil bundle, 10 doodles as per usual, and then also 3 new sticker packs. I have a bunch more requests for sticker packs that I plan on doing. Just there's a lot of ones that are requested that when you start to look at the elements, there's just not a lot. So I might do them and make the elements a little bit bigger and just test those out and see if that's something that you guys are interested in. But anyways, let's go through the doodles. So this is 211 through 220. So you have some pizza slices, you have some hoagies or subs, hot dogs. They alternate from ketchup to mustard on top. Then you have some burgers and fries along with some regular burgers. And then there's some milkshakes, which I was in dire need of milkshake stickers. So these are kind of like classic colors. So you have a vanilla, a chocolate, a strawberry, and then this one kind of lightly looks like a cookies and cream. And then you have the pastel version. And then there's also pizza boxes. So it has a pizza box with a pizza inside. There's just regular drinks. So these could be alcoholic drinks. They could be pop, whatever you want. And then also chips. So you have bags of chips as well as bowls of chips. So lots of food type items this week. And again, that is 211 through 220. Next, I'll show you guys these sticker packs for this week. There is 2, well, let's just go through them. So this one is for Fellowship. This collection sold so well, so I thought a sticker pack would be perfect. I feel like this would be the perfect sticker pack for September or January even. So you have your little backer card here that has the paper on it. And then all of these are on our glossy sticker paper and just cut out. So these are perfect for your dashboards, for journaling, or whatever may be. I honestly just really wanted this larger. So yeah, there's lots of pieces in here. I try and do a ton of pieces while keeping them a decent size. So that is everything in the Fellowship sticker pack. Put those back in after. And then I also did a sticker pack for the August mystery, which September mystery spots should be opening. Are they opening today? They might be opening today. I think so, at noon Eastern. Let me double check my little planner thingamajig. Yep, they're opening today at 11 my time, 12 your time, 12 Eastern, not your time. But this month is, I say that they're all my favorite, but honestly, I have up until I think March done and of next year, and September is by far my favorite collection this year and so far into next year. It's just such a good one, and I feel like it's an anytime kit. The colors are a little bit more neutral, but fall vibes, but also winter vibes, but anytime vibes, and it's just really good. But also January mystery is also good. I feel like I changed up the vibe from the past few years. You're getting a lot of extras in January mystery, but September mystery, let me tell you guys, it's a good one, and I have a feeling y'all are gonna all love it. So this is the backer card, and this just has 80 pastel vibes. So a lot of y'all loved this kit. So I went ahead and made this one into a sticker pack as well. I love this caboodle. This would be perfect in any month, but whenever I'm thinking about it, I'm thinking about April, May, something like that, August, January. So that is I think I'm going to call it Breakfast Club sticker pack. And then last but not least, I made vinyls of Dead Inside last year, and those sold so well. I think all of them sold out. And I decided that since they sold so well as vinyls, we were going to bring Dead Inside to a sticker pack. So you have the books, you have the Jeepers Creepers little turntable, a remote, the little like print impression spiral, the 2 like little washi tapes, the computer, and then the stack of VHSs, the drink, the kitty, and lots of stuff. And you have even the little pins in there as well. So that is everything for the sticker packs. You guys have been loving those, so definitely we'll keep up with those. Let's go through the foil bundle for this week. This one is, I think we've been doing a lot that have like multiple foil colors. This one just has one. So let's go ahead and go through this. This is like a blue hollow, which is super pretty. And it's in the twinkle format. I have a lot of new formats coming, y'all. Lots. I have a really cute one coming. I think it'll be January mystery to premiere in, and I'm really excited about it. This one is the twinkle format, and this is a blue hollow. Let me show you the blue hollow on the mat. Like, it's so pretty. So you have these 6 full boxes with the headers on the side. You get 2 of those pages. You get 2 of the bougie box pages. Sorry, I just hit you guys. You have the icons and scripts, as well as the fancy headers, the deco, the date numbers, and then the bottom washi again, the twinkle format, and then this is in blue hollow. There will also be the matte label samplers available as well. So don't forget to check this out, as the special price of $9.99 is just through that release. Then let's go ahead and get into the collections for this week. Let's go through Horror Party first. Y'all were loving this on Instagram. I thought it was super, super cute. Honestly, don't know what I'm doing for Halloween. We might end up doing Bennett's birthday early because my friend's visiting from Pennsylvania. She's driving an RV down. So I might have an extra week of like Halloween in October. But I don't know. I don't know. There's just so many good collections. This one's called Horror Party. So it kind of has like Friday the 13th vibe, but more like a fashion elements going on. So you do have the different like horror icons as like fashion people, which is super cute, as well as some in the clip art there as well. And I just think it's really pretty, and I love the colors. On the box here, I decided to do a tall box with the sign. I thought that was really cute because I love the moon and the bats as well as the sign, and I just think that's gonna look really cool. As well as the colors here are really pretty. I feel like they're very like horror. Even the blue is just really nice. Kind of gives you like a vintage vibe or like a retro situation. The extra box over here is the girl. Is that from The Ring or The Grudge? Honestly, I hate horror movies. I can't do them anymore, but here we go. And then the extra freebie in both the mini and the ultimate is just like a hand with like a vampire bite and then a bat in the background. So that is the ultimate kit. I'll go ahead and show you guys the mini kit so you can see the format. But of course on the website, if you guys want to see the format of any of the kits, I do have listing pictures for those. So let's go through the mini kit of Horror Party. All of the kits this week do come in mini and ultimate. So let's go ahead and go through this one. So you have the same full boxes, the same deco page, the same glitter header page. Then you have the mini kit page as well as the bottom washi page with, of course, the same freebie in both. There is add-on options for this kit. There is a 15mm strip as well as the label sampler. So if you want to add those on, you can. And then let's go into Dead Inside, which also does come in a mini kit. But let's go ahead and show you guys the ultimate kit. Such a cute kit. I think this was probably our best selling Halloween kit last year. I did go ahead and kind of reformat the boxes and give them like new vibes, which are super cute. Still very similar to last year, but just a little bit of an upgrade. It's just a really good kit, and the colors are fabulous. Here is your extra full boxes on the ultimate kit. These colors, I think they're just winners, and I feel like you could use so many different foils with it. Personally, I would probably use a sparkly black or a lavender hollow, and then you have the bottom washi as well as the freebie in both the mini and ultimate is alternate fashion people. So you do get those as well in both the mini and the ultimate. It's such a cute kit. I did use it last year, and I'm like, Andrea, you have so many, but like it's so cute. But I also feel like you could use this like outside of Halloween if you really wanted to, like in April. That'd be really cute. So then there is the 15 millimeter strip if you want to add that on. We do have like a faux like multicolored glitter throughout. I believe the old version had that too. You have your label sampler, and then you also have fashion add-on if you want to add it on. Like I said, there is the freebie in both the mini and the ultimate with extras in there. And then last but not least, we also do have Haunted House. So let me go ahead and show you guys this. This is like real pretty, like the vibes. I love the very like neutral muted colors. It's very spooky while still being very pretty in my opinion. The freebie in both the mini and the ultimate is a tall box because I was obsessed with this fashion person. Like I just can't. I literally can't. The whole situation, the outfit, the hair, she's adorable. So you have the full boxes. Let me go ahead and show you something real quick. So you do have a fashion add-on if you want to add this on, and you can swap out to make a different double box scene. But I also feel like this scene can stand alone on itself. That with the quote box would be super, super cute. Again, I feel like that could also stand alone. But if you wanted to kind of switch it out and do a different double box, you could do that as well. I think it'd be really cute to have this as a double box and open it up with extenders to have that on the inside, or vice versa. But that is an option if you want to add that on. The extra full boxes in the ultimate, again, these colors super neutral. I feel like matte bronze will look so good with this. Matte bronze is running low on stock. I don't have any more coming. I do have a really, really exciting like bundle mega thing. It's kind of going to be I didn't do any Advent last year, but it's kind of like a replacement for Advent, but different, but mostly just like a bundle that's like a mystery, because it's just so hard with Advents, I think, to make like every day just really exciting. So I wanted to do something that was like a really cool like holiday bundle, not holiday themed. But I do have matte bronze in that. Other than that, I don't have any matte bronze coming anytime soon, but if you guys wanted to pick it up, I definitely would, because I think there's less than 50 in stock. But I think that would look really pretty with this, but also silver would as well. If you have any of like matte taupe or like a matte silver, a bronze, something like that would be really pretty. Or if you wanted to do just silver or gold or even rose would be really pretty with this as well. You have your deco page, your glitter headers. I have a feeling this is going to be a really good seller. I just feel like the vibes are here for this one. Labels, and then your bottom washi, which I just really love, and then you do have the extra full box here, which is just a mirror that says "Don't look back" on it. Super spooky. So again, that is the ultimate kit. The mini kit has the same freebie, of course. And then for the add-ons for this one, you do have the 15 millimeter strip, the label sampler, as well as the fashion add-on. So that is everything for this week. I hope you guys like this week's new releases. Again, like I mentioned, the mystery spots will be available at noon Eastern. That's probably around the time that I will switch back the shop to the regular stock in case you guys need to pick anything up. And if there's any more collections that I'll be adding to this week's releases, I will post those on Instagram for y'all. And then I will show them physically in next week's new releases so you guys can get a look at them. But of course, I'll have like listing photos and everything like that as well. So that is everything for this week. I hope that you liked this week's new releases. I think next week's gonna be another spooky week, but I'm excited. I have, I think a couple more exclusive arts. How many more I have? I think I have like 2 or 3. One I'm like, is my like Halloween week for sure. It's like so cute. I don't think I've seen anyone, at least artists, do the theme. I don't think so, but it's a good one, and it's gonna be Halloween week, and I'm so excited. That's coming maybe next week. I'm not sure. We'll see. But talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.